Trying to beat the heat.
It is officially
Sweaty and hot.
108 degrees right now.
We're going
And
to
it's not
beat the
even
heat
done.
with some summer BLTs.
And naps.
I've been really looking forward to trying these out.
Yeah. You know, it's the little things. It smells like a BLT.
It does. It smells like the toast.
I can smell tomato.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, that's amazing.
No, I smell bacon.
Yep, there's bacon in there. That's really good.
Also, I like barely eating today because it's too hot.
So these are going to be extra good.
Yeah.
Bon appetit. They're Lays. They're delicious. That's pretty amazing.
They taste like a BLT.
They
It's
do.
like,
That's
I
really
even get like a hint of lettuce.
a lot of the bread of the BLT. The bread and the mayo. Yeah.
I was surprised by that part. It's not like super bacon heavy.
No, I'm actually surprised.
Yeah.
There's not more bacony. Yeah, that's a really good chip and a really good BLT. I'm not even going to go into how much I love the Lay's cut. Oh,
They
they
did it
grow on you
again.
too. I mean, it's interesting in the picture. There's an onion hiding right up here. I wonder how many times this designer has actually eaten a BLT. You don't put onion on a BLT. I mean, come on.
That's so funny. There's a few of them.
Wow. Maybe they just needed maybe it was a little too garish looking with all that red. They needed a little.
There's a
bit
cracked
more
pepper
balance.
too.
That's amazing. It's really delicious,
Yeah.
and it's actually like fairly plain chip. It's not like there's nothing really like really jumped out. If this was a bowl and I didn't know what flavor it was, I'm not sure that I would be able to nail down BLT.
Right. But it's, you know, really.
No, I was thinking it was good.
It's a pretty simple sandwich though. Like, just bacon, lettuce, and tomato.
Love that. You should
Good.
make some.
Wow.
Maybe this is a good substitute. What do you think, puppy?
It's just sniffing it.
Well, there you go.
I recommend.
Highly
So I
recommend.
give them an 8.
Really? Wow. I'm a sucker. I'm gonna give them a 9. They're really delicious. I'm impressed by the salt factor. They're not too salty, which I think would be really easy to do. It's a really nice balance.
Yeah.
But that bread flavor is the first thing I noticed.
I'm maybe like I will always compare to a couple other chips that I would buy. There's no topping those, you know.
Yeah, I could see that. Yeah,
Those
there's
are
nothing.
really good.
There's nothing super unique.
No, but this is definitely someone's favorite.
Yeah, okay. Not light. I would go with an 8. Yeah, it's decent. Yeah. All right.
Recommend.